How to turn on swipe around the edge of your Watch 6 screen to scroll quickly. And this is basically known as the touch bezel feature. So I'll show you where you can go to enable this and let's get started. From the clock face view mode here, you'll swipe down from the very top edge like this and then go into the settings section from here. Once you're in the main settings of your Watch 6, you'll go all the way to where it says General. So you're going down to General Settings. Keep going until you see this right here. As you tap on General, you'll be taken to here, and the very first option is known as Touch Bezel. As you dive into it here, you'll go ahead and turn it on, and you also got the vibration feedback. So when you're swiping on the edge of the bezels here, that will give you a vibration feedback. So if you don't want it, you can disable it. So the way this works basically is it allows for a very faster scrolling instead of using your display here. So by using this edge here like this, you'll notice how fast this actually swipes up and down on your Watch 6. So if you've been looking for this feature, that's where you would go to enable it. And of course, if you don't want it, that's where you would go to turn it off. Like and sub.